Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. I have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Amazon affiliate link will be down below. You guys can get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast free shipping. Get one of these in no time. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for a review. And YouTubers, all you gotta do is click that link, add it to your cart, check out now, and they'll ship this to you fast. And also see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one item. And here we go, guys. This now it's a new month. We got MAILDAY. And here we go, guys. Got a big old box. I can't believe how fast April flew by, and then now just about summertime. Or you can still do your spring cleaning with one of these bad boys. Here we go. Here we go. I don't want to drop you guys on the ground. Let me move that over here. Oh boy, we got a good one, guys. This is coming from Bagotte, cordless, 400 watt, high power, brushless, motor, vacuum, cleaner, second generation cyclone filter, kind of like the Shark, but better and cheaper. Cordless, thick vacuum cleaner. Alright. Let's take a look inside. Like I said, all you guys gotta do is click that link down below. Add this to your cart right now. And make sure you guys hit the like and the subscribe button. Be much appreciated. Here we go. You never know when a giveaway might happen. Probably soon. Kick off summertime. You never know. We got the manual. And we got some goodies in here. Okay, here we go. Oh, here's the base of the stick. Kind of like those boomsticks you get at basketball games. Nice purple. Got that. Here's the bottom of the Bagotte. Motorized brush. Ooh, this is nice. It is purple. For some reason it looks blue. And there we go. Oh yeah. Definitely excited to try this out. I'll keep this on the ground so you can like see it bends and twists. Clamp that in there. Alright, let's get down to it. Let's get down to the business. We got a little brush for your rug or for your couches, cushions, whatnot, detailing. And we got another filter. It's always good to have. And these should last a while too, so we got the plug right here. And then there's that. We got the nozzles. Nozzle one. Okay, that's that one. We got this thing. More for like rugs, carpets, I think. Got a little brush here, right there. Okay. And out. Here is, I can hang this on the wall. I might do this one. This one actually looks really nice. We got this little thing. Oh, replacement. So that's really cool. You get a replacement whole thingy. So a lot of them you don't get that. So that's a good bonus. Got something on the side here. Oh, nothing. Empty. Alright, now it's time to put it together. Should be really easy to do. I don't need instructions. If it's your first time doing one of these, you might want to take a look at the instructions. But I'm putting so many of these types together. So, all the same after a while. Okay, drop that down. We got that there. Got that. Don't need this because this is a replacement. We'll keep the one that's with it now. And then this will be for like couches or whatnot. And we got all this good extra stuff. Keep this right here. So all I need to do is have some fun. Is this? Oh, here's the main unit. Get it out of the bag. And kind of looks like a mean machine right here. Let's peel this off. Oh, airsoft gun type looking. I gotta love stickers. Sure, peel this. There we go. Ooh, oh, sticky. Ooh, yeah. Okay, we got the basic right here. Here's the front. Remove this. Okay, that's a power button. It's not set up, probably not charged. How do I? Oh. There we go. Just pull that. Move that. And see power on and off right here. Okay, why is this not coming out? Alright guys, here we go. We got a Bagotte snapped in down there. Bam. This thing is going. And you can change speed on top here. It's pretty quiet though. You can see it kind of spinning around. And then if you want to switch to this style, which would be calling, you know, cleaning your car and stuff like that. There we go. So really nice if you guys want a new cordless vacuum cleaner. This has it all. Get it now before they sell out. And you guys will be happy. Remember, Mother's Day is around the corner, so this will be a nice little Mother's Day gift. You know? There you go. It's that easy, guys. Easy to store. You can hide this in the closet easy. Won't take up that much room. And you're set to go. See? Got a little bit in there. But definitely check them out. Bagotte on Amazon. Links will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night. Take it easy.